turn it on and put it on dehydrate right here. So the functions here are 8, and I go with 165. And let me just put that down. Put the chicken in. Look at that. Nice color. Put in there like that. The time. That's the big thing. I got 24 hours, believe it or not. 22, 23, 24. Now I hit start. Voila! So I'm going to let it dehydrate, and then within 24 hours, which will be tomorrow, I will share the remaining of this video. Much joy and abundance, everyone. Welcome to Instant Newbie. So it's 24 hours later and the chicken dehydrated feet are finished. Yes. So let me take them out and share how they look to you. Oh boy. Yeah. Looks like store-bought. Normally I would purchase my dehydrated chicken feet from online, and I just figure I'd save some money doing it myself. And then I know what's in it, as far as chemicals or whatever. So yeah, I am so pleased. So what I did offline, I cut the chicken nails off, and that was my first time ever doing that, and it just felt so weird holding chicken feet. It did. And then when I was towards the end of cutting all the nails out, that's when I realized it's better to cut right at the about at the cuticles, and then they cut off quicker. Yeah, they cut off quicker. So I just love chicken feet for my Rocky, because my breeder, when I got Rocky, she sent me a care package with chicken feet in it, and he's been eating it ever since. So yeah, it's a good form of a treat for a dog because it's good for joint support. It has glucosamine chondroitin in it, which is good for the joints. And if you have senior dogs, okay, you gotta be patient, Rocky. If you have senior dogs, it's good for their joints and arthritis. And also, it has collagen in it, which is good for the skin and fur. And it has a lot of protein in it, which is good for the muscles. Yeah, just be patient. I'll give you some shortly, Rocky. Yeah, so it's really healthy for dogs. And yeah, I just like the fact that I'm doing my own dehydrated chicken feet. And to be honest with you, I just purchased a dehydrator recently, and I made a video of myself dehydrating strawberries. And at the time, I didn't realize I had a dehydration function on my Ninja Foodie. And I'm thinking it's because I never had an interest in dehydration, and I just used the Ninja Foodie for baking, roasting, toasting, and different things. And because I wasn't interested in dehydration, maybe that's why my eyes didn't see it. But now I'm glad I got both of them. I could do the meat in the Ninja Foodie, and I could do the fruits and vegetables in my other dehydrator that has 5 shelves. So yeah, it's okay. Yeah, because there are times when I might have a bunk of things to do and I have both gadgets, appliances rather. Yeah, so, yeah. So healthy for dogs. And, oh yeah, it feels, ooh, I put that turmeric on it and it gave it a nice color too. Yeah. So eventually I'm going to purchase, it's a thing for, it's a adapter that's made for mason jars. And when you finish putting everything in it, I think you put the top on it and then you set this gadget on it and it just sucks out all the air. So that I'm going to do that. But even without it, it's safe to place some in like a mason jar or a baggie and just make it airtight as much as possible. Yeah, and I appreciate you viewing my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, ooh, what is with that? Please do. It's a new channel and I would love to share my instant pot journey with you, as well as my dehydration journey with you, mistakes and all. Yeah, so Rocky, I think, well, I'm going to give you a chicken feet, okay? Wait a minute. Put this one in here. And put this one in here. Put that there. That there. Look at that. Chef ready. Come here, Rocky. Come. Come on. Ooh. He has a YouTube channel too. It's called Boxer Rocky K9. Normally at the end of a video I say, pause out, peace to all. But on this here recording, I'm going to say, chicken feet out, peace to all. Oh, I just thought about something. It's good for, chicken feet are good for the dental health too. You know, the crunching and that. It takes the tartar off of the dog's teeth. And the chewing helps to strengthen the jaw bones. How did I forget that one? Okay, pause out. Chicken feet out, peace to all.